Peace and blessings, everyone. This is me, Saira Iqbal Khan from the Office of Corporate Linkages and Placement. Well, I'm doing great, but I am more interested to know that how are you doing, what are you guys up to, and how are you doing during your lockdown? And now you will be thinking that why am I interested to know more about you? Well, I'm so excited to share that we at Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements are your partners in success. And we really do care not only for you, but also for your careers. At the same time, I'm very positive and hopeful that all of you must be doing something really productive to make this lockdown as one of the most beautiful and meaningful experience of your life. Well, now you must be thinking that why am I so optimistic? Well, the reason is very simple. Because you are one of the most smartest generation of all times. And why is it so? Because you have access to a lot of information. And not only this, you know how to utilize this explosion of information to keep yourself updated on the emerging skills and technologies. And fortunately, being technologically savvy, you guys can rock anything in your life. Well, I'm really excited to share that Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements has launched an exclusive personal brand workshop that will help you to know yourself better and as well as to discover your brand which you haven't explored yet. These workshops will basically help you identify yourself and the brand within yourself, and it will also help you to answer the question that is your brand ready to be on fire? Well, that's not literal fire that we see in our daily lives. Rather, it's financially independent, retiring early. Sounds great, right? So we will be discussing a lot of exciting and entertainment-based stuff in these workshops, and I will be actually, conducting 5 different workshops. While the signature sauce of these workshops is that they will be honored from Mars, and you will get to know and meet a lot of your fellow Gen Z aliens. Doesn't it sound interesting?
Is this some information session going on?
Yes.
Are
Who are you, by the way?
are you human? You look like human.
By the way, you sound like human.
What? मैं alien नहीं लग रही? I dressed up like an alien. I have my makeup and मैं specially Mars trip के लिए alien बनी हूँ.
Why you have adopted this getup? Maybe Mars पे आई हूँ, but
To stand out of the crowd.
Well, you actually really don't need to do this whole stuff to look and stand out of the crowd.
अच्छा, मुझे था कि it will be fun. Hashtag fun. Anyhow, I'm Miri. You know Siri Miri. मैंने भी सुना आपको बात कर रहे थे पर्सनल ब्रांड वर्कशॉप की जिसमें देयर बी 5 सेशंस और आप बता रहे थे कि आई विल बी एबल टू नो आवरसेल्व्स बेटर और फायर ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. वैसे मैंने उस वक्त गूगल भी किया है. आप बता रहे थे तो आप ही मुझे थोड़ा बता दो ये क्या है.
Well, I can only briefly tell you, kind of gist, because after all, it's a teaser. I can't.
हाँ ठीक है. Teaser short brief is better. Hashtag short simple sweet. Wait. Can we do it like a vlog?
Yeah, we can do it. No issues in that.
अच्छा नहीं ऐसा करते हैं आप जैसे बता रही हैं वैसे ही बता दें.
Okay, मैं वैसे बता दूँ जैसे मैं बता रही हूँ.
हाँ श्योर. वैसे ये YouTube पे तो अपलोड होगा ना.
Yeah, it will be uploaded on YouTube.
अच्छा तो ऐसा करें मुझे अपना को होस्ट बना लें हम साथ साथ में कर लेंगे.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm Maria, not Miri. I wanted to sound cool.
Nice to meet you. अच्छा आप वो रिकॉर्ड कर लें जो हमारा चल रहा था रिमेनिंग पोर्शन.
हाँ नहीं आप करें.
Well, आप फ्रेम में आना चाह रही हैं या मैं रिकॉर्ड.
नहीं आप क्लोजिंग कर लें मैं नेक्स्ट सेक्शन से आऊंगी ठीक है.
Alright guys, so she was our first Gen Z alien on planet Mars, and just keep your fingers crossed because a lot of stuff is waiting for you. Till then, good luck and rock the world.
Acha, have you seen those cute little tomatoes on Mars?
Yeah, they were so cute.
Yes, I
and
know.
even these beautiful flowers.
Oh yes, they look exactly like Earth.